Ladies and gentlemen, hope you all are finding the sessions interesting and meaningful. Coming up next is a session on scaling order volumes with Vinculum Retail Solutions on AWS. I would like to invite the speakers for the session. Karn Singh, General Manager, E-commerce Operations, Page Industries Limited. Rishab Jindal, Product and Tech Manager for the D2C business, Page Industries. Welcome, gentlemen. Stage is all yours.
Hi, I'm Karn. I work with Page Industries Limited. So, Page Industries Limited is the exclusive licensee of Jockey and Speedo products in India. They manufacture, they distribute products across India, in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Middle East is also going to be a big player. We'll be a big player there. UAE, Oman, Qatar. We have started business there, and soon we'll go big there. And company was set up in 1994, 25 years from few hundred crores to a good thousand crores, more than few thousand crores in the recent years. And the company is growing year on year. The Ganumal family is the founder of this brand. So it was their idea to bring Jockey, a US brand, and a UK-based Speedo brand to India. Uh, they launched it, they've made it big, and it's growing year on year. A little bit introduction about myself. I am Karn. I have around 18 plus years of experience. Since last 8.5 years, I've been in this company. So I actually set up e-commerce here, launched outright business in 2013, Jockey website in 2015, and then a marketplace business in 2018. Before this, I was working with an e-commerce brand, Times Internet Limited, India Time Shopping, one of the core founders of e-commerce actually in India. They set up this marketplace business. That is about myself, Rishab, if you can.
Hey, hi everyone. So I'm Rishab. I work with Jockey as an AGM product and tech for the complete D2C business of Page Industries, whether it's Jockey.in or Speedo.in. With that, I'm also responsible for the complete e-com business, all tech responsibilities, which is to automate multiple internal systems, like one of those which we are talking today, Winklum, the most important and the backbone of any e-commerce, OMS or WMS. So I spent around a decade now in the e-com, and have been working with the both legacy and some very startups who started from a very early journey. I joined with them and worked along with them in the complete journey. This have in this complete journey, I've learned a lot about how to bring traffic to the website, which is the start of any funnel, and how to get users adopted to any product, how to engage them, and post engagement, how do I convert them as a customer, assuring that they have a high level customer satisfaction, and be our advocate throughout the lifetime. I'm also postgraduate from MDA Gurgaon and also certification in digital product marketing from Columbia Business School, New York. Well, with this, I'm a product coach and love playing badminton. Uh, Throughout my life, I've been a very enthusiastic badminton player till now. Over to you, Karan.
Hi, before we moved to Vinculum, we were seeing a very high. These are some of the challenges that we have listed in the slide. So one challenge that we faced was very high cancellation rates. Just to give you a figure, it was around 4 or 5%, which is quite high if you seeing the current trends and the demands of the marketplace. They demand less than 1% or some cancellation percentages. So what was the reason was we did not have a proper WMS before Vinculum. It was an order management system which we were using. The inventory accuracy in the system was not there. Because of that, there was picking inaccuracy, packing inaccuracy. But after Vinculum, we have seen cancellation rates drop to not even 0.5%. So reason being, we have a USM based system. We know exactly where the product is kept, what we are picking, what we are scanning, what we are packing. Any mismatch, it throws an error. So great system to work with the USN unique serial number facility of for every product. We know exactly where the particular product is kept in which bin. Scanning process, yes, your order processing time is less, your accuracy is high, uh, everything is automated from picking, packing, everything is scan based. Earlier we had a manual process. Picking was though scan based, but the packing was not scan based. But with this system, everything is scan based from picking, packing, manifestation, everything handover scan, everything is in place. I don't see any problems here. Uh, Great system. We have seen great numbers with क्या कहते हैं, we have seen high 30,000 orders a day we have processed. Earlier the capacity was around 5,000-6,000 orders. Now we have scaled 5-6 times because of the system. One platform, universal inventory exposed to all, that gives us, we don't have to segregate the inventory in the warehouse. One inventory, be it jockey, be it other marketplaces, one inventory exposed to all at any given point of time. So great system. Yeah, Rishab, you can add if you want.
No, I think Karan, you have covered a lot in terms of business challenges which we have seen a huge surge in last 2 years for any D2C company. Uh, I believe lot of most of the companies who came from a legacy brand to do D2C have faced those issues in the last 2 years. Pain points of everyone, and have been a very critical time for all of us. Uh, Cancellation rates, processing time, these are the two key metrics which we have to be concerned about while being into the operations of P2C business. And Winklam have been great by solving them very in a very well manner for us by automating the complete WMS and OMS journey. Okay, so when we talk about why we choose Winklam, so this is very interesting because, as I just mentioned, that key challenges for last 2 years was not understand. It's a area where we have all the order search, and as a DTC brand and a growing DTC brand, we are very focused to have a right partner with us who works for a long time and becomes a backbone of a complete system. So Winklam for us was a partner who had ready integrations with all the major marketplaces, whether we talk about Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra Fashion. So every anywhere we go, we have Winklam pre-integrated. There is no pain of looking into and waiting for months to get integrated to any particular marketplace. And the if we talk about the major confidence which came in our team was because of Winklam being hosted on AWS, as it brings in confidence to the complete page tech team that because of AWS, it's a market leader as one of the most stable or resilient, secure, and a high performing platform. And the added plus with that is that it's having added ability to scale up during peak months of jockey or speedo. So we any D2C brand have peak months and festive season, or maybe the seasons are very different for every time, and we have to maintain the order processing time the same and have to be ready for those days. So being on AWS assures us that Winkler will never be down, and that brings an added confidence to the complete team. Karan, over to you.
Yeah, with the implementation of Vinculum WMS and OMS, we've seen a drastic decrease in the cancellation rates, which were approximately 4 to 5%. Now they are below 0.5%. Reason being for this is a USN-based inventory system where you can track inventory throughout its order life cycle from picking, packing, order processing, returns, everything is tracked. Even if the same inventory is moving against a different order, we know exactly where the USN is moving. We're able to track it. Any corrections or anything are needed, inventory corrections, cycle counts, this USN based systems helps a lot. Second thing is the order processing time, your order management system of Vinculum, which is one system handling multiple channels, is greatly, significantly actually increase the capacity of handling the volumes. Integration with all marketplaces. Yes, one system integrated with all. Your packing time has decreased, your picking time has decreased, the accuracy has increased. You don't see any cancellations. I don't see any. There are minimal rejections during order picking because we are meeting the SLAs. Uh, the volume, yes, with the implementation of order management system, we have seen a 6x growth, especially during the pandemic period. We have handled, uh, you can say, an average order volume of more than 20,000 orders a day. And still, we are doing that. And I think the capacity to handle orders is built in Vinculum. And if the volumes increase, I think we'll be able to do that. Uh, Yes, the inventory accuracy has been a very important aspect. We faced a major problem earlier because of this. We also used to process orders in marketplace panels earlier. That has gone away with one system integrated with all marketplaces. It has really helped. And Rishabh, if you want, you can add now.
Yeah, definitely, Karan. Like before concluding this session, I would definitely use this opportunity to mention and actually thank Vinculum for making our journey with Vinculum for the which will say from the first interaction of demo or a POC and the thereafter implementing both OMS and WMS, and have been really smooth. And we are really thankful for the Vinculum team. And most interestingly, the part is that even today, the added support we have from the Vinculum tech team in terms of being available at any hour for sorting out any operational issues, or the flexibility to listen to us, our problem statements in D, and being available to develop them, they make the product changes and implement it very fast. It's really great. Well, that's something we do not we do not get from a lot of companies these days. We have people selling us, showing us the best solution and implementing it, but the post implementation service is actually important for any brand, because this world is very dynamic and changes every here and then, and you need a solution which is available there, has its own innovation capabilities to get to be ready for the industry, and even listens to you and change with time. So I think that's what brings us this stickiness with Vinculum even today, and we definitely look forward with them for the years to go. Well, Karan, if nothing else, we can end for now. I think.
Yeah, Rishabh.
Okay. Thanks everyone for giving us this time.
Thank you, gentlemen, for sharing important content with the audience. Now we'll move to the next session. Stay tuned.